In this video we will learn how to make this 3-color rope style bracelet. To make this you need 1 black thread or macrame, a golden thread, and 3 strands of silk thread. Take 3 line of black thread no 72 jade 90 centimeters long, fold and haul. Take 3 strands of gold thread, leave about 10 centimeters at the front, fold it over and start winding. Tighten the winding. It takes about 2 centimeters to wind the wire, and it is 2 centimeters long when pooched tightly. Reserve a portion of the gold wire, then cut the wire. Tighten the thread. Fold the wire in half to form a coil. Take the shorter of the 2 gold wires. Turn back a little bit. Then start winding. After trimming a short section, tighten the thread. Just make the line about 3 millimeters. Pull all lines for tighten. Cut and burn thread. For fixing coil, divide the seats into 2 groups and start braiding 6 strands. Take the outermost wire on the right and wrap it between the 2nd and 3rd wires on the left. Then pull it back to the right. Then take the outermost wire on the left and wrap it around the middle of the 2nd and 3rd wires on the right, then pull back to the left. Then repeat the above operations. Just left and right, continue. Braiding 6 strands. Knit until the required length. The length here is about 1/3 of the length of my hand. Then take 3 strands of gold wire and make a short winding. To tighten the winding while winding. Just make the winding wire about 5 millimeters long. Cut and tighten the winding. Now cut thread and burn. Then divide the wire into 3 groups, 2 wires in 1 group. And make long winding wires of different color on the 3 groups of wires. Take 3 strands of tassel thread and reserve 15 centimeters at the front, fold them and start winding them. To tighten the thread while winding it. The total length of the winding here needs to be about 5.5 centimeters long. Fold the tassel thread inside when it reaches 5 centimeters. Continue to wrap the length of 5 millimeters. Then cut the thread and tighten the winding. Then cut the thread and tighten the winding. Trim excess thread and burn. Use the same method to make 3 long winding wires of different colors. Now start braiding 3 strands. Pay attention to tightening the thread when knitting. After the 3 strands are braided, use 3 strands of gold wire to make a short 5 mm long winding wire. Pull each wire tight. Tighten the winding. Once done, continue braiding 6 strands. Repeat first method. Knit until the required length. Leave about 1 mm of excess main line and cut it off. Use the blue flame of a lighter to burn the thread ends. Finally, we need to compile a flat knot coil for adjustment. Take a 30 cm long thread, make a circle and secure the coil. Then take a 40 cm long thread and fold it whole. Start from the middle and weave a 2-way flat knot. It takes about 10 groups to make a 2-way flat knot. Cut off excess thread and burn it. Put on the coil. Finally, tighten the coil. Now our beautiful 3-color rope style bracelet is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Be HandiCrafts.